Okay, so now it is recording. We're doing this edit this message button, and we've already filled the combo boxes up. And then when you click the button, we've written code to read well, basically, we can compare the combo box messages with the original field in the table, and we get a primary key. Because we're looking at this, we're on message ID, because we have to first, well, we want to we've got to choose the correct, no, we're only dealing with one table here, the one side. And then we're going to go to the combo box and have a choice of items from this combo box. The choice is going to basically give us, yeah, I've basically renamed the button by mistake there. Anyway, the combo box choose one. The combo box is got a list. We've filled that before runtime in the items properties. If you go to the items properties of a combo box, then you can actually see it there. Original message. So we want to if we want to change the original message, then we can have a problem because we have to decode it as well. I mean, encode it. Are we doing encryption here? I guess so. And the date sent. And then the delivered. So those are the options there. Date sent, delivered, number of characters. For the first option, naught. Well, we're going to go and get the message. I mean, we've got our ID now. And then we have to go and type in a new message for the user. So snew, I'll make a variable called snew. And we say snew equals. Now, input box can work here. So this is going to be in English, obviously, unless you're writing a program in a different language, which I don't think you are. Problem is here now that, fine, we've got our original message changed, but then that has to be encrypted, and we actually need an option to go and encrypt the message. Or, you know, what were we doing with it before? The add message. When we clicked on add a message, we added a message and EDT input was encrypted. So if I go here it is, S original, and this is where we've used a cipher to encrypt S original. Now the thing is, this whole case structure here can be put into another method. We can go and take S original and have S encrypted come out of this case structure. And this is called modular programming, and you get extra marks for this. Like super duper extra marks, if you understand what I'm doing here. Because why do I want another method to do this? Well, the problem is that I've got to calculate an S encrypted. I actually must have a function that's going to actually do that. It would be a whole lot better. Where I can just say S encrypted equals, like over here I can say S encrypted colon equals, and I'll call it encrypt, and in brackets the code that we want, I code, and two things will go in S original. Now, if we used our code 1, remember we had to have two codes, cipher, or maybe we call it I cipher, or I cipher. So I'm going to write a function called encrypt. There it is. Why am I calling it a function? Because it's on the right hand side of the equal sign. And if you can do this, you get extra marks in your PAT. I'll write a function, and I'm going to make that function return a string, but the parameters for the function, in other words, the things that are going to be received by the function, the things that are going to the function is going to be, the integer which represents R code 1 or R code 2, and S original, which is the original string which we want to convert. Now, because I'm writing this function, I can use it again over here when I edit the message. You see, when I edit the message, I can use it here again. So I can say S encrypt and you don't have to worry about your spelling with these variable names. Problem is, we do need to have what code we're going to use, code 1 or code 2. Because remember, we have a problem. That your PAT has to have 2 types of encryption at least. Cipher number 1 or 2. I'm going to do this. Let's say we've got 2 ciphers and we're giving them numbers 1 and 2. Yes?
Can you help me? I'm having the same problem as I had last week.
Yeah.